get started, you want to arrange your threads in alternating colour order. And I'm working left to right here, so I'm going to start with the two threads at the right. And I'm going to knock the inside one over the outside one towards the right. And then moving on to the next two threads, I'm going to do the same thing again. And then I'm going to knock towards the right over the next two threads. You could do this in the opposite direction if you're left-handed, if that's easier. And then moving on to the next two threads, I just want to repeat those steps again. Then I'm going to do the same again with the last two threads. So now I've knotted all the threads, and you can see a black triangle at the top. And now I'm going to knot all the threads again until I reverse the position of the colours. Once you get to the end of the row, you'll see you've started your first stripe. Now you're going to switch positions and knot from right to left. So taking the two threads on the left, you're going to take the one on the inside and knot off the outside one towards the left. And then working your next thread, you want to work over both threads towards the left. And then you're going to pick up your next colour, and once again work towards the left. And you're going to do this until you get to the end of the row. And once you've got to the end of the row, you're going to switch from going left to right. And then you're going to keep switching until you've completed your pattern and got your bracelet as long as you want it to be. Once you've done, you should end up with something that looks like this. And I've done one final thick stripe at the end. So now you want to separate your tail ends into sections of 3. And then braid them together. And when you get to the end, you can tie all the threads in a knot at the end to keep everything in place. And you want to do this at both sides. And you can trim off any excess. So now you can remove your bracelet from the board. And you should end up with something that looks like this. So now you can try on your bracelet. And that is your completed thick zigzag bracelet.